Hello my YouTube friends, how are you all doing today? Today is a unboxing video. I ordered two Hoya from two different sellers. So one came today and one is on the way. So let's open this and see. Very nicely packed. Ta-da! This looks healthy and looks big too. This kind of Hoyas are very expensive, especially these days. Plants are very expensive. I didn't search for a long time the plant to buy any plant, and recently I just search and I see that it's like sky high price. But I got this one good price. See, this is a flower pot nursery. They have all kind of Hoyas and a better price also. Any private sellers are like very expensive. So this plant is much bigger than I thought. Look at this, it's have a vine already, and it's well established, rooted. So these two leaves, I think the original, and then it grew from here. I mean rooted here, and then, or maybe they just cut a piece up to now and then up to here, and after rooted, this part grew. So it's a very good size plant for the price I paid. I think I paid $14 or something. I kind of mix up because I order other one too. And one is free shipping and one is paid shipping. So, but I remember this one price is better. So, and this came quickly too. I ordered same time, but this came today, and the other one is coming 28th. The tracking says. It may come early, but it's saying it will arrive 28. So the very healthy plant, very vibrant and very much alive, and this new part growing. So I'm going to wait for the other one, and then I will upload. I'll come back. So, as I told you when I opened the other one, this came today, a little while ago. So, it's a Hoya plant. I ordered same day, but from two different companies, so it's come two different times. Hoya Obo Butter Splash. Okay, let's see. Very healthy looking plant. It's just newly rooted. A cutting of a stew plant. So this is the end of the branch here, and then root started from here all over, and this along the root, and this one is also started root here. So and I think this piece, this part growing. This is a new growth here. So this is Hoya ovata. I think it's fragrant. I could be wrong, but I was searching for a fragrant Hoya, so I'll have to go check again, because I searched so much that I forgot which one is what. And I didn't buy any plant for a long time, and as my other big Hoya giving the inflorescence, peduncles, I get carried away, I get happy, and I got two plants. I opened the first one, and this one is second one, and looks like this one have two cutting. So this is very nice, and plant is very healthy. Leaves are very very green and plump with a new growth here. So this one I'll have to part it, and other one is came in the pot, so I just leave it like that. I didn't even water because it looks like it had moisture when it arrived, and this one I need to water and fertilize right away. So so these are the two plants. This. This one is much bigger. So this is the first one. And this is the second one. This is it. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, put thumbs up, and leave comment. Bye bye.